Yeah, hi. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Claude Opus 4.7, the latest and most powerful AI model released by the Anthropic on April 16, 2016. 2026, sorry. In this video I will explain what's in the new Cloud Opus 4.7, how it is performs and compared to the other AI models, its pricing, and finally whether you should upgrade or not. If you are into AI coding, DevOps, or automation, this video is going to be very useful. Yeah, let's start. So what is Cloud Opus 4.7? So yeah, now it is understanding that 4.7 cloud. So yeah, first let's understanding what is exact Cloud Opus 4.7 is. Cloud has three main model tiers. So first one is the Haiku, fast and lightweight, best for simple tasks. Sonnet, balanced performance for everyday use. Ops, the most powerful model for complex tasks. Claude Opus 4.7 is the latest Opus version and currently the best publicly available Claude model. It sides just below Claude Moth's preview, which is only available to selected enterprises. Okay, yeah. So for normal users, developers and teams, Ops 4.7 is the strongest cloud you can use today. Yeah, it is available on some of the other apps like that Cloud.ai, Cloud.api, Amazon Bedrock, Google Vertex AI, Microsoft Azure Foundry. So yeah, here it is the top five new features. So what is the top five new features? Now let's talk about the top five new features that make Claude Opus 4.7 special. So first feature is self verification. Here it is the self verification. So the biggest upgrade is self verification. So Claude Opus 4.7 now checks its own answers before responding. So it runs internally sanity checks, validate logic, and even test code internally. This greatly reduces the hallucinations and makes the output more reliable. So especially for production level coding and automation. So and also next feature is the best coding performance. So coding performance. What is the most of the Claude Opus 4.7 is now one of the best coding AI models available. So nowadays most of the using this Claude, right? So on real world coding benchmarks like Shoebench, it performs better than GPT and Gemini. It handles the multi-file coding changes, refactoring, debugging, large code base understanding. This is the huge win for developers and DevOps engineers also. Yeah, third features is 3x better vision. So Claude Opus 4.7 supports the much higher resolutions images. It can clearly read UI screenshots, architecture diagrams, charts and graphs, technical drawings. Earlier models struggled here, but 4.7 is much more accurate. And next is XI effect level. Anthropic introduced a new reasoning mode called XI effect. This sides between high and maximum reasoning, giving better control over how deeply cloud thinks. It's especially useful for complex problem solving and agent workflows. Okay, yeah, next slash ultra view command. So what is this one? If you use Cloud Code, there is a new command called ultra review. This allows multiple AI agents to review the pull request in parallel. For Pro and Max users, whoever is there, right? Anthropic is giving the free trial runs. So this is great, which is great for teams. So next is the benchmark comparison analysis. What is this one? Let's look at how Claude Opus 4.7 performance in benchmarks. On Shoe Bench verified it scores 87.6%, so which is extremely high, yes. On Shoe Bench Pro it scores the 64.3, beating both GPT 5.4 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. It is also performance very well. Cursor's Bench, GPQA Diamond, Big Bench. The takeaway is simple, but Claude Opus 4.7 wins across almost every major benchmark among the publicly available the models. Yeah, it's finally pricing. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, we can go to the pricing and availability. So now let's talk about the pricing. And this is the good news. Anthropic did not increase the price compared to the previous Opus versions. Pricing is $5 per million input tokens, $25 per million output tokens. So this is great. You also get up to 90% cost. Yeah, savings using the prompt catching and around 50% saving using the batch processing. Cloud Opus 4.7 is available on Cloud AI, Prox, Max, Team, and Enterprise. Cloud API model Claude Opus 4.7, Amazon Bedrock, Google Vertex AI, Microsoft Azure Foundry. Yeah, now we need to, should you upgrade? Now let's the big question. Yeah, so should you upgrade to Claude Opus 4.7? Upgrade if you have a heavy coding or multi-file changes. This is important. So you have a Claude Code daily. You build AI agents or automation workflows. You work on the enterprise scale projects. You need accurate image and diagram analysis. So wait or use Sonnet if suppose you need to use the Sonnet, you do simply writing your daily tasks. You are on the free plan. Budget is concerned, you only need basic question and answers or summarizes. It's the most probably we can think about that for Opus 4.7. Yeah, we can use the power users or professionals. Sonnet is the best for most everyday users. So this is the simple thing. Yeah. And also next, when you upgrade Opus, when should you upgrade? So already we are discussing this one. And when you Sonnet is remains the better choice. Yes, Sonnet is the better choice for the best for most everyday users. Yeah, this is the thing. So most of the my conclusion call and actions we can, so that's the full review of the Cloud Opus 4.7. The summarizes quickly. Self verification makes it more reliable. Coding performance is best in classes. Vision is much stronger. New XI reasoning improves the deep thinking. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and please like this video, subscribe to channel and comment below. Are you upgrading the Cloud Opus 4.7 or sticking with Sonnet? Please comment. Thank you.